Good day, Sidorians. Praise be Jesus Christ, now and forever. Here in San Isidro Catholic School, we are starting our second semester off with a bang. And with that, we mean we are starting it with the celebration of United Nations School Year 2014 to 2015. We have our chairman, our very own Mr. Cyrus Magbojos, coordinator of the AP department, and Isidorian Press Club advisor. Migs, what's happening now?
Good morning, Isidorians. Behind me, you can see different people representing different countries. As you can see, they are preparing for the Parade of Nations. United Nations 2008.
Miss South Africa.
Good morning, students. My name is Cardinal Nino from Greenwich Classes of Fire. Representing the Manila Media.
Ohio, Minampa. Orewa, Vladimir Federico Lente from Grade 9 Archdiocese of Catholic. And I am representing the country of Japan.
I am the representative of Medical Masters. Representing Japan.
Hey everyone, my name is Julia Noveno from Grade 8 Archdiocese of Zamboanga, representing the country of Greece. There is a change because we want to vote for everything, because we are living in a competitive world. Eucharisto!
Good morning, everyone.
My name is Rivera Rivero.
And I am Ray Salova,
From Grade 8 Archdiocese of Zamboanga.
representing the country of Egypt.
Our motto is
Learn from the past,
Stand for the future by
all
following
see today.
Hello, I am Angel Rasmus Domingo. In Chinese, Angel Rasmus Domingo. I am in grade 7 Archdiocese of Davao, representing People's Republic of China!
I'm in grade 7 Archdiocese of Davao, representing People's Republic of China.
A man without education who said a word without direction. Teacher, in English, thank you!
Good morning, students. My name is Vincent Lugar from Grade 7 Archdiocese of Guban, representing the country of Italy.
Hi, my name is Melanie Goldfield from grade 7 Archdiocese of Guban, and I represent the country of Italy. I believe in the saying, I will not want to leave you home, I know who will.
Thank you. Again, representing the candidates for the Mr. and Miss United Nations 2014 High School category. Please give them a warmest applause. Thank you, candidates.
lipunan. Pagmamalaking lubos ang kanilang kinamulatan.
Sa pamantayan ng mundo,
sila'y makikipagsabayan.
Galaw na yun, What titles will our lucky candidates gain if their names will be called Mr. and Miss Africa, Mr. and Miss Europe, and Mr. and Miss Asia? Ladies and gentlemen, for the title of Mr. Africa, Mr. Egypt! Center stage.
Miss Africa is no other than Miss Egypt!
The partners, Mr. and Miss Egypt. For the title of Mr. Europe, the winner is... Another prize, Mr. Greece!
Miss Europe is no other than Miss Greece!
And the last but not the least, for the title of Mr. Asia, Mr. Philippines!
Huwag na natin patagalin pa! Miss Asia is no other than Miss Philippines!
This is your question. If you want to give them food, how are you going to do it?
I give them good, saving my money. I will show more mercy. Why?
I will show them more mercy. Help them with their problems.
Here is your question, Mr. Yuko. How can you also help those who help others?
I will help them too because they help others too and pray for them.
This is your question. How can you help Pope Francis as he helps the poor?
Thank you for the question. Like in the Millennium Development Goals, I can help other people by first showing my faith to God how strong it is. And also pray for them. Thank you.
Mr. Asia, this is your question. Mother Teresa is still alive and visited the Philippines. What help are you going to ask from her for your poor family? Why?
Buhay ko po si Mother Teresa. Hingin ko po sa kanya ang tulong na matulungan po yung mga bata na naghihirap. Kasi kung hindi po natin matutulungan ang mga yung bata na naghihirap, hindi rin po sila matadevelop at maayos. At hindi po nila alam kung paano lumaki ng maayos at may isip. At may pananampalataya sa Diyos. Maraming salamat po.
We can end poverty 2050. Choose one among the numbers written in the slide. And why?
Ang pipiliin ko po ay ang number 4, reduce child mortality. Dahil alam po natin na ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya kailangan natin tulungan na hindi mabawasan yung mga kabataan ngayon. Maraming salamat.
With an average score of 89.67, the winner for Mr. United Nations 2014. Sino? Sigaw nyo kung sino ang bet nyo! The winner is Mr. Philippines!
Next, our Miss United Nations 2014 High School category, garnering an average score of 93.67. No other than Miss Philippines!
Congratulations to our Mr. and Miss Asia, our newest Mr. and Miss United Nations 2014. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga pag-winners.
Congratulations!
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
We will now interview our Mr. and Miss United Nations 2014 of the High School Department, Mr. and Miss Philippines. I have to say I'm very, very proud of the both of you. And not just because you are my classmates, but also you've done an excellent job all throughout the event. So, how's the experience?
We're actually all proud, but it was all worth it.
And what is the experience?
It was a worthwhile experience because everyone enjoyed the program and everyone collaborated.
Thank you. Okay, and that is our United Nations Celebration 2014. We congratulate all the winners for the different contests, especially the Mr. and Miss United Nations of ECE, grades 1 to 3, grades 4 to 6, and the high school department. We would like to congratulate and give a huge thanks to the community and to everyone who helped in the success of the event. Also, I would like to give a huge shout out to Mix Martinez, our outside reporter. This has been Christopher Miranda for the Isidorian.